Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Prudence Coaching Mathematics class. Students, we all have learned or came across the word short trick, and we all believe that those who know short tricks they can do the sums easily and more faster than us. But the actual concept is not about the short tricks. If you know the concept or the details behind the short tricks, then it will help you to remember the short trick. Or you can say, if you mug up something, means learn something and forget that particular formula or something, you can derive that particular formula. So today we came up with the short trick along with the details how you are deriving that particular short trick. So here in this particular video we are going to discuss the four important formulas which are very important for your school examination along with the competitive examination. So in this cutthroat competition, so if we want to compete with the changing world, we should be flexible and learn this all things very carefully. So let's start with the video. So first, if it is given in the question x plus 1 by x equals to a, here a is any value, means it can be any number. So if you are asked to find out x square plus 1 by x square, then automatically without anything or knowing anything, you can just square the value given, that is a square, and we will deduct or take away 2 from a square. So you will get the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Similarly, if in the question it is given x minus 1 by x equals to a, then we can find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square by the formula a square, that is the value given, plus 2. But will we just learn this thing? No, we will see how this particular formula is being derived. So let us take the first example. Number 1, x plus 1 by x equals to a. If it is given, so following the traditional method, as you can see here we have x square, so we will just square on both sides. So we will square this side, that is x plus 1 by x the whole square, and a square. If you see this particular thing, that is x plus 1 by x the whole square, here we can apply the formula of a plus b the whole square. Here a is x and b is 1 by x. So applying the formula, we will get a square, that is x square, plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x, plus b square. Here b is 1 by x. So we will get this on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we will get a square. So now in the question we are asked to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So here we have got x square and here is 1 by x square. So leaving this 2, we will take all the things on the right hand side. So here we will take this thing, that is plus 2 into x into 1 by x on the right hand side. Before taking this on the right hand side, if we see, we have been given here 2 into x into 1 by x. So we can cancel this x and this x. So ultimately we will be left out with 2. So if we take this 2 on the right hand side, we will get x square plus 1 by x square equals to a square minus 2. So finally we have derived this particular formula. Now let us see the traditional way of solving the second one. If the question is given x minus 1 by x equals to a, how you are going to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square? So first we will write the question as it is given, as we need to find the square value. So what we need to do is we need to square on both sides. So we will get on the left hand side x minus 1 by x the whole square, and on the right hand side we will get a square. So as you can see here, if we assume x to be a and 1 by x to be b, then we can apply the formula of a minus b the whole square. So here a is x, so x square minus 2ab, so minus 2 into x into 1 by x, that is the value of b is 1 by x, plus b square, that is 1 by x the whole square, equals to a square. Now, as you can see, we need to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So, by putting these two things on the left hand side and taking other things on the right hand side, we can find out the value. So, here, before transferring minus 2x into 1 by x on the right hand side, you can see this x and this x will be cancelled, and this minus 2 will go on the right hand side and become plus 2. So you will get the answer as x square plus 1 by x square equals to a square plus 2. So this is how the shortcut came. So let us move on to number 3. Now the next one is, if x square plus 1 by x square equals to b, here b can be any number, then if you are asked to find out the value of x plus 1 by x, then what you need to do is we will add plus 2 with this b, and after that we are going to find out the square root. But how is it working? We will see using the traditional method. Before that, let us see number 4. If x square plus 1 by x square is b, then if we are asked to find out the value of x minus 1 by x, then we will just subtract 2 from this b, and whatever we will get, we will find out the square root of that particular number and we will get the answer. So this is the shortcut. But how this shortcut is coming, let us see, or let us do the postmortem. So let's start. So here, as you can see, we have been given x square plus 1 by x square equals to b, but here the power of x is 1, and in the given thing the power of x is 2. So we will do the back calculation. For that, if we write here or add plus 2ab, that is 2 into x into 1 by x on the both side, then we can apply the formula of x plus 1 by x the whole square. So here we are adding plus 2x into 1 by x on the both side. So here we are adding this, here also we are adding the same thing. So here we are getting x square plus 1 by x the whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. So if we see, then we will see that this is the formula of a plus b the whole square, where a is x and b is 1 by x. So we can write this thing as x plus 1 by x the whole square, and here this x and this x will be cancelled, we will get b plus 2. Now we need to find out the value of x plus 1 by x, so we will just make the square root of the numbers in both the side. So here if we apply the square root, this 2 will be cancelled, and here if we apply the square root, this square root will be coming here. So ultimately we will get x plus 1 by x equals to root over b plus 2. Similarly, if we want to find out x minus 1 by x, then we need to apply the formula x minus 1 the whole square. So to apply that particular formula, we need to deduct minus 2x into 1 by x on the both side. So here we have applied this one, and by this we can write this whole thing as x minus 1 by x the whole square. So this side, this x and this x will be cancelled, and we will left with b minus 2. Now, as we need to find out the value of x minus 1 by x, but we have the value of x minus 1 by x the whole square, so we will apply square root. After applying square root here, this 2 will be cancelled and we will get a root here. So ultimately we are getting this particular shortcut by this particular method or the traditional method. Students, I think this particular video has helped you a lot. So if you find this particular video helpful for you, then you must like, share, subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get regular update of this particular channel. Students, stay safe and learn with fun with Prudence Coaching English class. In the next video, we will come up with next postmortem. So get ready.